Competency-based education is about manipulation. It's about touching. It's a practical curriculum. So if the trainers are theory, they are training theory, then you will not have that impact. So the training program for teachers is so practical that the teachers are able to roll it out or to do the same in class.
We've already set in place a committee that is helping the university to prepare the transition to be fully compliant with the CBE style of education. The committee has already been trained. They are now moving to the level of training of trainers. And the reason Gravity CBC Resource Center is here today is because we are probably the first university to have partnered with them in terms of building that capacity for our staff.
And it is that curriculum that we are now on the process of revising. Actually, many of our schools are compliant with CBE education. School of Medicine and Pharmacy, fully compliant. Including the assessments, they are fully compliant.
You don't only invite the schools, also invite the parents and communities so that they can come in and understand the concept, the pathways, different choices that are available, and even how to be able to improvise at home.